Now to our McLaren Medical Minute. As the temperatures and humidity climb this time of the year, you are more at risk of developing heat stroke. Today, we offer some tips to keep you safe by keeping you cool.
Hello, my name is Ray Rodoni. I'm an emergency physician from McLaren Flint, and I wanted to talk a little bit today about some of the things and the medical conditions that we encounter as the seasons change. It's kind of Mother Nature to bring us some warm weather, but along with warm weather comes some medical concerns and some other issues that we as citizens and parents need to be aware of. When it starts to get hot, we start to see patients in the emergency department with heat stroke. And heat stroke is a very serious medical condition that primarily is due to human beings getting too much heat and not being able to get rid of that heat in a timely fashion. Signs and symptoms of heat stroke can be anything from being a little confused, nausea and vomiting, to headache, to the feeling of being faint. If you ever encounter any of these types of symptoms while outside mowing the lawn or exercising, you must immediately get out of the sun and start to drink some fluids or some water and get some rest. Specifically, targeting heat stroke victims, we need to be very, very careful with infants. You want to keep kids in the shade. You want to keep them well hydrated. And even at times, if it gets too hot during the day, take them down in the basement with you to watch some TV and get them out of the heat. Elderly patients are also at risk for heat stroke more than the average person because of their inability to move around sometimes and their increased needs for fluids. So remember, if you don't feel well and you're out in the sun, get in the shade, drink some fluids, and rest. It's not the time to exercise when it's 90 degrees outside. Exercise earlier in the morning or exercise later at night. These are just some of the things we need to be concerned about during the summer times in Michigan in order to keep our friends and our families safe.
And there's more information on McLaren.org, and you'll find a link to that hospital's website on abc12.com.
A consistent